Top tourist attractions in Egypt. Red Sea. Start off with diving into admiring colorful reef fish, turtles, rays, and even dugongs in the Red Sea. Pyramids of Giza. The highlight of your Egypt trip. What else could we do rather than visit the tombs of dead pharaohs? Wait. While enjoying this video, please subscribe to our channel. Aswan. From cruising the Nile to exploring temples like Abu Simbel, take a look at all of Aswan's popular activities. Sharm El-Sheikh. This is where the night is bright. Prepare to be mesmerized by luxury resorts, restaurants and nightclubs. Saqqara. Want to learn more about the era of the pharaoh? You will be surrounded by a necropolis of tombs and pyramids here. Philae. This island-based temple complex is home to many scenes from Egyptian mythology, and it is a history buff's favorite. The Citadel of Cairo. Cairo is full of marvels, and one of them is this historic Islamic fortification that takes you back in time. Put it on your itinerary. Hurghada. For those who love historical sites and beaches, this is the city for you. Hurghada lets you dive into its glories. Luxor Temple. Dedicated to the rejuvenation of kinship, this temple will be on everyone's itinerary when visiting Egypt. Colossi of Memnon. Basically, it's two massive stone statues of the pharaoh Amenhotep III. And of course we do see a perfect photo opportunity here. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Let us know which attraction caught your eye. Comment below. And don't forget to subscribe our channel to watch more interesting and latest videos.